So today's video is gonna be a bit different. I'll trade the New York session. So I'm looking at AUD USD and GBP USD and also EUR USD. Alright, so I'm pretty much gonna do is once the New York session open, I'm gonna take a series of trade, document them, and you know the whole breakdown concept. So look forward for that. And as I said before, it's actually 5:07. Alright, so see you at 7 o'clock. Alright, so it's now 7 o'clock. We just took our first entry on EUR USD. So the reason for this entry, as I said, I'll show you once we progress. But just took our first entry on this specific trade. Beautiful, we get that nice bearish momentum, and we took our entry right at the close of this specific trade. The New York session just opened and give us that momentum. That was the momentum that I was looking for, that I talked about earlier in the video. So as we progress, I'll give you update on this specific trade. So if I see the opportunity where I can take another entry, I will, and I'll just show you in the breakdown video to come. All right, so I'll show you as the morning progress. I'm out. All right guys, so we took another entry on this specific trade. I see that there was an order block here, and the market come and mitigate and reject that here and give me not think it around three rejection from that specific zone. So that was the reason why I took this another entry on EUR USD. Let's see the time. It's 8:50 now, 8:15, and we're still here. Once the market clear this liquidity zone here, I'll secure half of my profit and then trail my stop, because as you know, the market take these lows very aggressively. The reason why my stop is take profit is all the way down here is that there's some gap, and I know that the market move towards the gap. Whereas liquidity, the market will always move towards liquidity at all times. So that's why my TP is there. So yeah, it's going good so far. As you can see, the market is creating nice structure, nice structure to the downside. All right, if I see the opportunity again where I can take another entry, I will. So yeah, it's going good. All right guys, so we are almost there. As I said before, the market will always clear these liquidity zone. So all I'm going to do now is put my stop right above this high right here. I'm currently way in profit. It's currently 9:11. It's a beautiful Friday morning, and as I said before, I took one more entry right here, and in the breakdown video I'll pretty much explain everything. I think I might just close now for the day and just call it a day. I'll close all my profit right now as we speak. Back to yet another breakdown video on this trade I caught this morning on EUR USD. I'm currently on the 1 minute time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, sorry. So let's pretty much jump right into the video. So on the 1 hour time frame, I've realized that there's a level of supply zone within this area right here. So that's when I looked over to my left, when I realized that there was an order block here, a level of supply, sorry, which causes the market to this last up move, which caused the market to push all the way to the downside, right? So this was a level where I'm pretty much looking for to take a trading opportunity. All right, one other thing that I realized was that it was actually the London session caused this move. So I was this big impulse to the upside, this bullish move. So I was anticipating for the New York session for the market to get that reverse, because most times whenever you have a bullish movement in the New York session, in the London session, the New York normally come with the bearish move, so vice versa. So Here I was identify that supply, and I realized that the market tip inside my area, my area, and that pretty much, that's when I started to say, all right, I'm starting to focus on this specific trade. All right, so that's when I moved on to my 10-minute time frame. Sorry, my 10-minute time frame, and I start to look for a level of change of character, or a level of fail to create a new higher high and start creating lower low. One other thing on the 1 hour time frame, one other thing that I've realized was that there was, on the 1 hour time frame, what I've realized was that there was also a level of imbalance here. So that was pretty much another confirmation for me wanting to take a sell, because if there's imbalance here and the market reach a strong supply zone, most likely it would want to come and clear these imbalance before moving up to the upside. So that's when I moved to my 10-minute time frame, and I started to look for a change of character to the downside. So right here I have this level of supply, start looking for a change of character to the downside. So the market was pretty much ranging, and then boom, right here, right here, that's the area where I received that change of character to the downside. Right, that was my cue to pretty much starting, like, to zoom down, rather start looking for a selling opportunity. All right, the next thing I did was just wait on this this bullish move right here, to just find my level of POI right here, so I know the next time the market come back within this level right here, that's when I will pretty much starting to take that trade. All right, another thing was that New York session was gonna start right around here. Let's go over right 6 o'clock right here. So I know that the market might be consolidating within this period until it reach over here, or it start ranging until it reach over here. So that all I did was just mark my POI zone, and I said, then next time the market come back to this level, that's when I'm going to take this trade. All right, so let's go on the 30-minute time frame. So there I was on the 30-minute time frame, pretty much waiting on the market to make its move, or to return to my POI. So boom, right here, the market pretty much came back into the 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 imbalance area, and also created right here equal lows right here, equal lows within this area. So that was another confirmation for me wanting to take this specific sell. So right here I'd have some equal lows, and I said the next time the market will come back into this area, I want to see some form of momentum candle from this specific zone. So I was on my 10-minute time frame, and all I did was just wait, be patient, until the market returns. All right, so boom, over here the market pretty much come here again, create another level of liquidity. That's another confirmation for the market to come back and then drop. So I have liquidity to the downside, and I also have imbalance. I have imbalance here, and I also have some imbalance right below here. Right, so there's gap. right? And the market moved towards gap, the market moved towards liquidity. Liquidity is money, right? It's right over here, would have been the starting of the New York session. So all I want is that the market to come back within this area for the New York session to then give me that drop. I will not take any sell until the session change or until the market get back into my area of my POI zone. So boom, 5 minute time frame, the market just tip my my POI zone right here, just touch it, just touch my POI zone. That's when I move down to my 5 minute to see if I could get a strong bearish close from this era, right? So the market was still raging, still here waiting for that strong bearish close from my zone until I get that boom. That was the strong bearish close from my zone, and it's in line with the New York session. So New York session would have just open and I get this boom. My stop was just above here and my target was right at this imbalance area right here, just below the liquidity, just in case the market push, grab the liquidity. Initially my take profit was somewhere down here because there's gap here, but then I put it just beneath the imbalance, the liquidity zone, the equal lows here, because you know the market will move aggressively and it can tip in the imbalance and then reverse. So this was my first entry. This was the entry that I sent in my signal group, and then couple hours after, I've realized that we are starting to break some structure right here, and the market create another order block here. So I said to myself that if the market come back to test this zone right here, I will then take another entry right here. So that's when I put my sell limit right here, and I pretty much wait until the market come back. As you can see, the market started to mitigate this order block right here, starting to have some more breaker structure to the downside, right? So we're starting to see structure started to break to the downside. So that was the move that triggered my next entry. So at this point I did have two entry in this trade, and it was moving good, moving nicely. The market come back to test the order block once more, and then boom, to the downside. That's when I see the opportunity again for, I have some imbalance within this zone, and I also have an order block right here. So right here I have a level of gap which could have triggered me in our next entry, and I also have another order block right here. Good. So I said if the market come back anywhere within this zone, I will take another entry with confirmation. So that's when I see the market come back within this area, give me a nice bullish candle to the upside, and then give me a bearish candle at close below it. So that's when I took my next entry, which was 26 pip, right? 26 pip target somewhere here, right? And 26 pip target. Good. This TP was already set to here below here already. So boom, 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 boom. The market boom, clear this area, clear the liquidity, hit all three TPs, and then look at this. Boom, back to the upside. Alright guys, so it was a nice trade. Beautiful trade caught on this Euro USD this morning. Alright guys, if this video helped you in any way, just please remember to subscribe. Just like the video, leave a comment if you wish. Follow me on my Instagram page, because I post, or follow me on my, I have two Instagram pages. You can follow me on the Cash Effects Instagram page, where I post breakdowns like this. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your weekend.